everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you guys were wondering why I haven't posted in about 2 weeks, it's because I was on vacation and I forgot to tell you guys, but I am back, and for today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make a garlic Parmesan pasta. This pasta recipe is very delicious, creamy, yummy, and cheesy. If you guys like all those things in your pasta, make sure to stay tuned. First, you're going to take out a large skillet and drizzle a little bit of oil on medium heat. Then you're going to add 4 cloves of minced garlic and 2 tablespoons of butter. Before adding your other ingredients, let the butter melt and let the garlic get a little crispy. Next, add 1 cup of chicken broth. Also add 1 cup of whole milk. Now it's time to add any type of pasta you'd like. Lastly, season it with some oregano, black pepper, salt, garlic powder, and Italian seasoning. Once the pasta is cooked to your liking, you're going to add a sprinkle of cheese. I'm using Colby Jack. The best type of cheese to use for this recipe is Parmesan, but since I didn't have that, I will be using a different type. Once it melts, you can also add a little bit of freshly chopped parsley. Thank you all so much for watching. If you guys like this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment for more videos like these. Also, make sure to turn on your post notifications so you're notified every time I make a new video. This recipe is so good and so delicious. It's also really creamy and cheesy. If you guys try it out, make sure to let me know in the comments. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!